Are you tired of your computer dragging its feet while you are trying to get things done? What if I told you there is a hidden method that could unleash your PC's true potential in just a few minutes? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why your PC might be running slow. It could be due to background processes, unnecessary startup programs, or even hidden files taking up space. But don't worry, we are going to tackle this head on. Now, here is the hidden method. It's called disk cleanup. Most people overlook it, but it's a powerful tool built right into your Windows operating system. Let me show you how to access it. Press the Windows key and type disk cleanup. Click on the app that appears. Select the drive you want to clean. Usually it's the C drive. The tool will take a moment to calculate how much space you can free up. Once it's done, you will see a list of file types you can delete. Check the boxes for temporary files, recycle bin, and any other categories you want to clean up. We are going to check Windows Update Cleanup, Microsoft Defender Antivirus, recycle bin, and temporary files, which is about 34 gigabytes. So check that. Click OK and then delete files to confirm. Just like that, you are freeing up valuable space. But wait, there is more. After you have done the disk cleanup, consider these additional tips. Uninstall programs you no longer use. Disable unnecessary startup program by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Then navigate to the Startup tab. If you are using a traditional hard drive, defragmenting it can help improve performance. Just search for defragment and optimize drives in the Windows search bar and follow the prompt. Regularly update your software to ensure optimal performance. If you found this hidden method helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your tech. What hidden trick do you use to speed up your PC? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember, a faster PC is just a few clicks away. Implement these tips today and experience the difference. Until next time, keep your tech running smoothly.